Have you ever had a killer business idea, but then you get overwhelmed thinking about everything it takes? You know, the team, the money, creating all that content? Well, get ready, because AI is changing the game for solo entrepreneurs. We're talking about turning a one-person show into a global operation. So, let's jump right in and figure out how you can build your very own AI spokesperson and take on the world all by yourself.
And this quote, this really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? The whole idea that you, just one person with a laptop, can have the power of a whole marketing team, a design studio, a customer service department, all rolled into one. I mean, this sounds like something out of a movie, but it's not. It's what's happening in business right now. So let's picture it. It's day 3 of your brand new business. You spent the last couple of days getting your idea straight and maybe building a quick brand. Now it's time to make your first hire. But you're not going on LinkedIn. Nope. You are creating a digital version of yourself, an AI twin who can be your spokesperson 24/7. So how do you actually do that? Let's break it down.
All right, here's our game plan for today. We're going to start with what your new AI-powered team looks like. Then, you'll meet your digital twin, and I'll show you how to clone yourself in, like, minutes. After that, we'll get that avatar working for you, and we'll finish up with a really powerful idea, the micro-employer mindset.
Okay, first things first, let's look at the big picture here. You know, back in the day, starting a business meant you had to chase down investors for seed money. Well, today, your new seed money, it's just having access to AI tools. Seriously, they're your new employees, your marketers, your advisors, all ready to start this second.
And this is what's so cool about it. Think about the advantages here. You can launch a totally professional-looking website overnight with an AI builder, no coding needed. You can have AI agents talking to customers all over the world in their own languages. And all the boring stuff, marketing emails, accounting, support tickets, you can just automate it and focus on what really matters.
Okay, so you've got your virtual team. Awesome. But now let's talk about the star of the show, your digital twin. The industry calls this an AI spokesperson. So, what in the world is that exactly? So here's the bottom line. It's a super realistic digital version of you. But the real magic, the part that will blow your mind, is how you make videos. You don't have to film yourself over and over. If you want to change what you said, you just edit the text in the script. That's it. Your avatar says the new line perfectly. It's incredible.
And this just lays it out so clearly. The old way was such a pain, right? Cameras, lights, special editing software, and the absolute worst part, having to reshoot everything because you messed up one word. Ugh. Now, the new way, all you need is a script. You just type, and your digital clone performs. It's a total game changer for anyone creating content.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds super complicated, like something out of a sci-fi movie. But I promise you, the actual process is shockingly simple. Let's walk through the blueprint right now. You can seriously do this in a few minutes.
Here we go. A super simple 4-step process with a tool called HeyGen. First, you just upload about 2 minutes of video of you talking. Then, you record a quick little "I consent to this" statement. And then, you just start writing scripts. And get this, you can do it in over 140 languages. A few minutes later, bam, your video is done. It is that fast.
Okay, but if you want a really good clone, these tips are gold. You got to give the AI really clean data to work with. So, look right into the camera. Try to keep your hands down below your chest so they're not in the shot. Don't move your head around a lot or look away. These little things make a huge difference in how realistic your avatar looks in the end.
So, you did it. You created your digital twin. That's awesome. But, an employee who just sits around isn't very useful. So let's talk about how we put your avatar to work and actually start automating your business communication.
The possibilities here are just huge. Your avatar can be the face of your company on social media, pumping out marketing videos every single day. It can do product demos, create entire online courses for you, make explainer videos. It can even deliver personalized video responses to customer questions. It's basically a content machine that never stops.
And this is the end result. Your AI spokesperson becomes the face of your brand. Always consistent, always professional, it's always on message, it's always available, and it can talk to your customers all over the world, any time of day or night, and it literally never gets tired.
And hey, this isn't just theory. Check out this real-world story. A 19-year-old named Ahmed did exactly this. Day 1, he used AI to check his idea and build a website. Day 2, he created his brand and set up automated social media. And the result? In his very first month, he pulled in over $3,000 in revenue, selling to people in 8 different countries. That's what this is all about.
So you can see that using these tools is way more than just being efficient. It really calls for a big shift in how you think about your work. You're not just looking for a job anymore, you're creating opportunities. This is what we call the micro-employer mindset.
The whole key is to start seeing yourself as the founder, the big picture strategist. Your main job is the vision. You hire AI tools to be your team, your marketing person, your finance person, your spokesperson. You let the AI handle all the day-to-day execution so you can stay focused on growing the business.
And really, that brings us to the most important question of all. The technology is here, it's cheap, it's easy to use, it's incredibly powerful. The barrier to starting something new has pretty much disappeared. So the question isn't if you can do it anymore. The real question is, what problem are you going to be the one to solve first?